Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher Nayir Hasnain from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. I hope students you all are fine, safe, happy and healthy at home and you will be revising your work carefully with the help of your mother. In this lecture, I will give a brief review of the lesson The Hungry Mouse. Let's start. Revision Lecture 1, Subject English, Class 1. Today we will do the revision of Unit 1, The Hungry Mouse. Let's see the contents of today's lecture. First of all, I will recap of the story. Then we will revise exercises B, D and E of this unit. After that, we'll revise example sentences and selected dictation words of this unit. Student exercises 1, 2 and 3 of grammar and usage will be revised at the end. I hope students, all of you are ready with your English book, notebook, grammar book and stationery items. So are you ready? As you have studied Unit 1, The Hungry Mouse, what has happened in the story is that Mr. Mouse is having a bad time. He has no food for many days. One day he finds a basket with corns. There is a hole in the basket. Mr. Mouse goes in the hole. He eats and eats. After eating a lot of corns, he becomes fat. He cannot get out of the hole. Mr. Mouse shouts for help. The rat hears a mouse. Mr. Rat tells Mr. Mouse to wait till you have grown as thin as you were when you went in. I hope you are clear about the story. Now we will revise all the exercises of this unit. Look at page 12, exercise B. Answer the following. Question 1. What is Mr. Mouse looking for? Answer. Mr. Mouse is looking for food because he is hungry. Question 2. How long does Mr. Mouse wait for food? Answer is Mr. Mouse waits for a month for food. Question 3. What does Mr. Mouse find? Answer. Mr. Mouse finds a basket of corn. Question number 4. What happens to Mr. Mouse? Answer. Mr. Mouse becomes fat. We will revise exercise D and E of this unit. Look at page 13. Exercise D. Statement is, the letters in these words are jumbled. What are the animals? Number 1, frog. Number 2, mouse. Number 3, rat. Number 4, goat. Number 5, bear. Number 6, monkey. Exercise E. Statement. Put in the missing letters to make words from the story. Number 1, basket. B-A-S-K-E-T. Number 2, path. P-A-T-H. Number 3, comes. C-O-M-E-S. Number 4, corn. C-O-R-N. These are word sentences which I am going to revise for you. Number 1, basket. Sentence, the basket is full of fruit. Number 2, angry. Sample sentence, my sister is angry with me. Number 3, hole. Sample sentence, there is a hole in the wall. Number 4, corn. I like to eat corn. Students, here are selected dictation words. You will revise them with the help of your mother. Now open your grammar book, Unit 1. We will revise the topic noun. First of all, I will tell you the definition of noun. Then we will revise exercises 1, 2, and 3 of book Grammar and Usage. I hope you have learnt about nouns in my lecture 3. Let's revise the definition of nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Nouns are the names of persons, animals, places, and things. Now I'm going to give you some example of these. Girl, boy, doctor are the example of persons. Cat, tiger, elephant are the example of animals. Shop, library, market are the example of places. Desk, knife, apple are the example of things. Look at page 2 of book Grammar and Usage. We will revise exercise 1. Statement. Underline the nouns in the sentences below. Then write in the boxes. Students, in these sentences you have to underline all the nouns and then write them in the given boxes. I'm going to read these sentences for you. Then we will underline the nouns. Number 1, the elephant is feeding. Number 2, this is our school. Number 3, I like apples. Number 4, the knife is sharp. Number 5, the boys are playing. In these sentences, students, elephant, school, apples, knife, and boys are nouns. On page 3, students, there are 2 nouns in each sentence. You have to underline both the nouns and then write them in the given boxes. Look at number 6. My father is a teacher. Father and teacher are nouns. Number 7. My brother likes the lollipop. Brother and lollipop are nouns. Number 8. His dog is chasing my cat. Dog and cat are nouns. Number 9. The market is near my house. Market and house are nouns. Number 10. There are many books in the library. Nouns are books, library. Page 4, exercise 2. Statement is match each picture to the correct word. Students, you will revise this exercise with the help of your mother. Now students, we will revise exercise 3 of page 5. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words in the box. Students, all the given words in the box are nouns. We will use these words to fill the blanks of sentences below. Let's start. Number 1, the dash is in the cage. Suitable noun for this word is the bird is in the cage. Number 2, I borrow a dash from the library. Suitable word for this sentence, book. I borrow a book from the library. Number 3, please lend me your dash. Suitable word, pen. Please lend me your pen. Number 4, the dash is crying. Suitable word for this sentence is baby. The baby is crying. Number 5, The dash is skipping. Girl. The girl is skipping. Number 6. The dash sells cakes. Shop. The shop sells cakes. Number 7. The boy is kicking a dash. Suitable word, ball. The boy is kicking a ball. Number 8. The dash is tall. Tree. The tree is tall. Number 9. The girl is sitting on a dash. Chair. The girl is sitting on a chair. Number 10. The woman is holding a dash. Suitable word for this sentence, flower. The woman is holding a flower. I hope you will have understood all these exercises and you will revise all these carefully and every day. If you have any question, please do write in the comment box. Thank you so much. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.